Police have arrested the former husband of model Abby Choi, whose dismembered body was found in a Taipo house yesterday. The man was detained as officers combed through a cemetery in Changkwan-o for missing body parts. Maisie Mock reports.
Model Abby Choi's former husband was spotted at Tongchong police station this afternoon. Officers escorted Alex Kwong, who was ordered to help their investigation. Kwong was arrested at around 1 p.m. at a pier in Tongchong after police received a tip-off that he was trying to flee the city on a speedboat. Superintendent Alan Chong alleged that Kwong, his father, and brother were suspected of murdering the 28-year-old model, whose dismembered body was found in a Taipo village. Speaking during a search for missing body parts at the Changkwan-o Chinese Permanent Cemetery, Chong said Kwong's mother knew about the killing, and her involvement is being investigated. All four have been detained. About 100 officers were deployed at the cemetery to search for Choi's head and other body parts, but police said there was no major discovery. Search dogs were on hand as divers combed a pool inside the cemetery. The search is continuing. Choi's death shook the city, and her Instagram page drew thousands of sympathetic comments. Kwong was sent to Queen Elizabeth Hospital this evening after claiming he was unwell. Police said money was the motive for the murder. Sources said Choi and the Kwong family had a dispute over selling a jointly owned apartment on Kaduri Avenue. Choi reportedly spent millions of dollars to buy the luxury apartment when she was married to Kwong. Her former husband and his family continued to live in the flats after Choi and Kwong separated. Maisie Mock, HKIBC.